Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen essential that caught our eye, the Freshware Bamboo Cutting Boards set. We've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is all about. The Freshware Bamboo Cutting Boards come as a set of 3, offering you 3 different sizes, 9 by 6 inches, 12 by 8 inches, and 15 by 10 inches. This variety makes them incredibly versatile, catering to all your cutting, meal preparation, and even serving needs. Whether you need a small board for quick fruit chopping, a medium board for handling multiple vegetables, or a large one for slicing whole meats, this set has you covered. One of the standout features of these boards is their built-in side handles. This thoughtful design makes it easy to transfer your ingredients from the cutting board to the stove or serving table without any hassle. You can also use them as serving trays or cheese platters, making it a breeze to carry finger foods from the kitchen to your guests. No more worrying about dropping your food, thanks to the secure grips. Another noteworthy aspect is the knife-safe, gentle surface. The smooth bamboo wood is kind to your knife blades, helping them maintain their sharpness for longer. This means less frequent sharpening and more enjoyable cooking experiences. The cutting boards are designed for comfort, allowing you to cut, slice, and dice with ease. Plus, they feature a special resin lacquer top coat that protects against scarring, scratching, and staining, ensuring your boards remain looking great even after repeated use. Cleaning up after meal prep is often one of the most tedious tasks in the kitchen, but these cutting boards make it easier. Each board is crafted with deep juice grooves that effectively catch liquid runoff from meats, fruits, and other ingredients, minimizing mess on your countertops. This professional-grade design is perfect for everything from busy restaurant kitchens to your home, ensuring that you can cook without worrying about spills. So, who are these cutting boards suitable for? If you're a home cook looking to enhance your kitchen experience, these boards are a perfect choice. They cater to everyone, whether you're a novice or an experienced chef. If you enjoy hosting parties or gatherings, these boards can double as serving platters for your hors d'oeuvres. Even if you're a parent preparing meals for your family, the variety of sizes allows you to tackle any task, from slicing fruits for snacks to preparing a full meal. In terms of practical use cases, think about how you can utilize these boards in your daily cooking routine. You could use the smaller board for chopping herbs or spices, the medium board for prepping vegetables for a stir-fry, and the larger board for carving a roast or preparing a large salad. When hosting, simply transition from meal prep to serving by using the same boards without the need for extra dishes. Lastly, Freshware stands behind their product with a comprehensive customer support program. They offer a 1-year warranty and a money-back guarantee, ensuring that you feel confident in your purchase. Their commitment to customer satisfaction means you can enjoy these cutting boards without worry. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.